Hey guys, welcome to the channel. It's 7S26 Simon. I do apologise for my long hiatus. I've been busy with a million other things. But hey, I'm back. We're going to start up this little community again and just, get back to hacking boxes and generally having a good time. So remember, this channel isn't just me teaching you. If you have anything to share, let's get better. Share this information. If you completed boxes a different way than me, let me know. Let's share this, share the knowledge, guys. So the first one we're going to do, we're going to look at a box called Yousef. I have completed this box, and when I went to do it the second time, it didn't work. So let's go ahead and see if we can complete it together. So we need to get 2 flags. Difficulty is easy. So all I did with this one is I just recorded this a second ago, and it didn't record, so 4th time lucky. I did an nmap scan. We can see SSH is open, port 80 is open. So just a guess, the box is called Yousef. I tried to remotely connect as Yousef with the password of Yousef. Permission denied. Okay, no problem. We can always revisit that later. Let's take a look at the site. So, sorry, the site is under construction. We've just got some basic text, basic code, nothing really of interest. So the next step I did was to run through. I started off using Dirbuster, and I used, was it user share? Word lists, Dirbuster, and I use the directory list small. Let's just copy and paste this. Okay, so, oops. Okay, let's use the GUI. So if I take the target URL. And let's just use that for now. File extension. We don't really want file extensions. We just want a basic scan. You must supply a file. Okay. I need to actually take that whole thing. Let's copy, paste that in. Can't open the file with it in. You must say what file extension. Use blank extension. Okay, for some reason it can't open that file. That's strange. Let's just try this. Let's open a new window. Locate. That looks fine to me. I don't know why it can't open it. Let's try again. Let's start. Okay, here we go. So that's going to do a quick search. And just while it's doing that search, we are going to just see whether seclist is on here. As you can see, I have tried to install it in the past. Okay, we've just got an error. Let me fix this and we'll come straight back in just a minute. Okay, so I've just fixed the error and we should be back in business. So I want the medium directories. Let's give that a run and we can close that window. Okay, so it looks as if it's had another error. Okay, let's just give this a file type of extension PHP and kick this off again, and hopefully it'll find the directory that we want. Okay, it still hasn't. So Okay, so that's still not run as well. Let's just check GoBuster. If we do a man GoBuster, there's no entry for GoBuster. Okay, GoBuster. Let's see what we can do with GoBuster. So DIR, which we use, that's for brute forcing mode. Okay, let's look up GoBuster -- help. It just brings up the same thing. Why is Google not working? Restart required. Okay. Come on, Firefox. Let's try again. Okay. So, GoBuster cheat sheet. Okay, so it looks like maybe GoBuster doesn't automatically give us status codes default to be deemed positive. Okay, so it might need us to manually add those into our command. So if we go back to our command, let's get rid of that. Let's do S. So now we've got GoBuster, look for directories using that word list, and if we hit any of these status codes, it should let us know. So let's give that a go. No. There's a parsing invalid control error. Let's just get rid of the dir bit. Unknown shorthand flag. Okay. Let's just try something crazy. Let's just try without any of the slashes. Maybe that's causing this to be malformed. No, we've still got an error. So let's just take a look. So GoBuster dir -u, we've got the IP we're attacking, we've got our custom word list, and then we've got, what have we got? 200, 204, 301, 302, 307. Maybe we should add a 401 status code as well. Probably still going to bring back the same error. Okay, let me figure out why this isn't working. Okay, so it's got a parsing error, and I believe it's something to do with that word list. So let's take a super quick look at the word list. Let's just do this command here. So it's just a bunch of word lists. That's really weird. If anyone knows why that error is popping up, please let me know. In the meantime, we're going to change this to large words.txt. Leave the status codes on. Just see if this brings back the directory we want. Here we go, we've got a 301. So 301 status code. This means we don't have permission to view. Let's take a look at what it says here. Moved permanently or for permanent redirecting. Okay. This means the resource has been definitively moved. A browser redirects, blah, blah, blah. Okay, let's go to take a look at it. Forbidden, that's kind of what we expected. Okay, so this is where I didn't struggle with this the first time around. The hardest part was actually, and also because it's a spelling error, it's not administration, it's administration. That's what caused all of my struggles. I really did. Even the first time, I found that quite frustrating. But hey, here we are. Let's open up Burp Suite and continue on this journey. So just using the community edition, that should be more than enough for what we need to do. Okay, and what we need to do is just quite simply, again, I found this bit fairly straightforward because I have seen this quite a few times. Let's get rid of that birth documentation. Okay, let's do a refresh. And what we're going to do is we're going to send that over to repeater. We're going to add some headers, x forwarded for, and we're going to do a send. And over on the right hand side, can we render this? Please render. Yes, it's given us a username password field. Perfect. So let's request in browser. Let's do a copy and let's send that over to our web browser. Repeat request. Turn off. In fact, yeah, we may need. I don't know if we've got the certificate installed. We may need to install it. We may need to install that certificate because I did this on a different machine. Let's just go back to Burp Suite. CA certificate, save. Let's not customize, wrong one. Let's go into preferences, cert, view certificates, and import. Okay, yeah, it's already installed. Okay, let's repeat request. Nice, so we've got the username and password fields. We can basically guess what that one is. And let's just do a refresh. Oops, refresh. And once again, we just need to add those headers into our session. Okay. Now notice it doesn't keep the session, so let's go back to repeater, request in browser, in current browser session, let's do a copy, let's paste, admin, admin. Okay, why is that not working? Let's just try. Let's see if there's an add-on. Firefox. Headers. HTTP header, edit it and send it. Simple modify headers. I think this is probably what we want. I don't know. I've never used it, but let's see if we can see if it does what we want. So, configure. Okay. On request, yeah. URL patterns once, oops, HTTP 192.168.1.174. Hit save. URL pattern is invalid. Okay, let's try again. Let's hit start. Okay, why does that fail? Let's go to proxy. It's because it's not being added. Why isn't it adding it? I've just told it to add. I've literally just told it to add. Why is it not adding? Let's just try this. Okay, I don't know how to get that working, and I don't care to continue. Let's see if there's a different one. Here we go, X forwarded for header. Let's just use this one. Okay, nice. Easy. That will do. Perfect, that's a nice extension. So, upload a file. We can upload a file. Let's go ahead and let's upload this one. PHP file. File not allowed. Okay, let's go to burp. Let's intercept on, send. Application X PHP. Okay, let's change that to image / JPEG. Let's see if that's enough to upload the file, which it is. PHP 5. Should we have changed that? Let's see if that works. Let's see if that works. So let's listen over there. Let's open up yet another tab, and then let's do a nano PHP reverse shell 176, which is my IP. Yeah, that's my IP. So if we browse to that, that should actually get us our shell, I believe. Let's give that a whirl. Has that not worked? So it is trying to hit the file, but it's not sending our shell. Just take a look at that one more time. It's because we're missing a single character, I think. I think that's causing the issue. Let's give this another shot. So, image JPEG. Let's just remove that 5. It still uploads. So we're just tricking the upload function. Nothing too complicated. Here we go. That one's worked. So we were just missing a single character. Nice. So, who am I? We are www data. So let's go to CD. There's 2 flags. So let's go home. Cat user.txt. And we have a let's decode as base 64. Oh nice, we've got SSH creds. And we've got something called Yousef. So let's do cat. Oh, Yousef is a directory. Ah man, we can't do the bin sh minus I. Oh, bin bash minus I. Nice. Okay, just looks a little bit nicer to browse with this. So lsl cd Yousef ls. Okay. Okay, there's nothing in there at all. Weird. Okay, that's fine. Let's Let's just do the SSH. Maybe our first flag is in here. Who knows? Why can't we... Oh, here we go. Present working directory. We're in home, /home. Wait there. So... Oh, that's weird. Okay, I've forgotten where the flags were on this box, so I'm actually finding them again as we speak. So that's the user flag. So cat.txt. So let's copy this and let's do something a little bit more cool, shall we? Let's echo base 64 -d. Oh yeah, that's where we were before. Where's the flag then? Find flag flags.txt. I don't know where the flag is. Sudo -l. Okay, so misconfiguration here. Anyone can run. You may run the following commands on the box. Any command, and it is going to elevate us to root because we're running the command with sudo permissions. So okay, so is this the flag for root? You got root, congratulations, nice. Okay, but I still don't know where the other flag is. Where's the other flag? Let's see if we can try to find it. Unless that, I don't know, maybe that was the flag? Maybe the other flag was the actual SSH creds? I don't know. Not sure. But hey, it doesn't really matter, I don't think, because we're root. So yeah, that's this video complete. Sorry this taken 23 minutes to do, but hey, it's a little bit of a nightmare. I did actually get this working in Burp without having to install this app to spoof the headers, but for some reason it's not working today. So I'm going to go and figure out why that didn't work. If anyone knows why, please let me know. But otherwise, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Okay, thanks guys.